Welcome to WEG Educational Channel. In today's video, we will be selecting and discussing a new potential cash secured put option trade. You will also learn how you can use this safe option strategy to make money most of the time. If you use it only on great companies when they are undervalued. Please note that this is only for general education purpose and is not a buy or sell recommendation. It is as easy as this. We will go over all the trade details and tell you why we think this trade is worth taking. You will also know which stock to buy and how much money you can expect to gain. Now let us dive into the trade details. Our trade today will be about BlackRock, stock ticker BLK. Let us discuss the trade details to understand why we think this trade is worth taking. Before we do that, let us go over our checkpoints. First, we need to make sure that the company is undervalued. For any company to be undervalued, the market stock price should be less than the intrinsic value, or what is called sometimes the fair value of the company. The intrinsic value for BLK is 930 and the market price is 646, then BLK is undervalued. Our second checkpoint is to find our support level and decide our strike price. To do that, we need to check if the price has retraced to a good support level. Looking at the chart on weekly candles, we can see that this previous resistance and this 200 moving average could act as a very good support level. So the price now is back to the 200 moving average where the price is 646, so we think that is our support level. Next, we need to select our strike for our trade today. We think that this horizontal support line should be a very good level for our strike because it did act as a very good support before, there. So we think a strike around that level should be a very good strike. So we selected our strike today to be at $580. Now we know our support, we know our strike. Next we need to check our earning date. So the next earning date for BLK is going to be on the 13th of July of 2022. Once we know the company next earning date, we need to select a contract with expiration date earlier than that date to make sure that we minimize the risk of unexpected price changes that usually happen right after earning dates. Now that we know our strike and we know when is the next earning date, let us move to IBKR, Interactive Broker, Option Chain, and take a look at our cash secured put contract details, check our strike, check our contract date, and see what is the premium that we can expect to collect out of this trade. Now that we are looking at IBKR option platform, we can see that we are looking at BLK and the price is $648. Then if we move to the option chain side and select a contract that will expire after 37 days, and that's going to be on June 3rd of 2022 at our selected strike of 580, we can expect to collect a premium of around $9.1. Then we will go ahead and click on sell leg. All the information will go down there. We make sure that we're selling a contract until June 3rd. Strike is 580, it's a put. Delta is less than 0.25. You make sure that you're selecting the right number of contract and the right premium. If you like everything, just go ahead and submit your order. Before you enter the trade, kindly take your time and check all the trade details to see if it is worth taking compared to your capital invested. Thank you for watching WEG educational videos and good luck to all.